Before OpenClaw became a headline, it was just frustration. Too many emails waiting for replies. Too many calendar invites overlapping. Too many apps demanding attention at the same time. Every task required another click, another login, another confirmation. AI tools were getting smarter by the month. They could summarize, translate, explain, but they still needed you to do the actual work. And that gap between intelligence and execution is where this story really begins. In November 2025, Austrian developer Peter Steinberger decided to test an idea. Not a startup, not a funded project, just a weekend experiment inside his apartment. What if an AI assistant didn't just respond? What if it executed? What if instead of recommending actions, it took them? So over 48 hours, he began wiring something together. A system that connected chat commands directly to real tools. Not theory, not a demo, real execution. The result was OpenClaw. You type a request into your chat app, book the flight, clear the inbox, and schedule the meeting, turn off the lights. And instead of suggesting steps, it performs them. It accesses your email, your calendar, your browser, your smart home. One instruction, multiple systems handled automatically, not advice, action. But here's the part that made developers lean in closer. OpenClaw didn't run in a distant cloud server. It ran locally, on your machine, with your credentials, your permissions, your authority. That meant faster execution, greater autonomy. But it also meant something else. If misconfigured, it had real access. And that access changed the stakes. And then, without warning, it spread. Developers began starring the repository, then forking it, then building on top of it. 200,000 GitHub stars, 2 million visitors in a single week, blog posts, threads, integration experiments. People started calling it a real-life Jarvis, because for the first time, a personal AI agent wasn't hypothetical, it was downloadable. But viral growth comes with scrutiny. Security researchers began digging deeper. Configuration files exposed risks if improperly handled. Third-party extensions widened the attack surface. Some implementations lacked strict key isolation. And suddenly, the conversation shifted. If an AI agent can act with your credentials, what happens when someone compromises it? Then came the corporate response. Meta restricted OpenClaw from its internal networks, not as a public spectacle, but as a precaution. An autonomous agent operating inside employee systems introduced uncertainty. Corporate security teams aren't built to gamble on autonomy. They're built to reduce risk. And OpenClaw represented something new, powerful, uncontrolled, and fast-moving. The weekend experiment had outgrown the apartment. It was now a debate across the industry. How much autonomy should AI have? Who is responsible when it acts independently? And how do you secure something designed to operate with real authority? For Peter, this wasn't hypothetical anymore. It was happening in real time. On February 14th, another shift. Peter announced he was joining OpenAI, not to shut the project down, but to build the next generation of personal agents at scale, with infrastructure, with oversight, with safeguards. The experiment had proven what was possible. Now it needed structure. OpenClaw proved something the industry wasn't ready for. Personal AI agents aren't theoretical, they're operational. They can automate your digital life. They can expose new vulnerabilities. And they can evolve faster than corporate systems are prepared to adapt. The age of AI agents didn't begin in a lab. It began in an apartment, over a weekend, and it's accelerating from here.